Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Deleting TikTok messages can be tricky since the app has different privacy settings. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your phone and navigate to the inbox section. You'll find this in the bottom menu bar, and it's where all your direct messages are stored. Tap on the conversation with the person whose message you want to delete. Step 2. Once you're in the chat, find the specific message you need to remove. Long press or hold down on the message until a menu pops up with options. You should see a delete option appear on your screen. Step 3. Select the delete option from the menu that appeared. The app will ask you to confirm that you want to delete this message from your side. Tap confirm and the message will be removed from your view. Step 4. Now here's the important part about deleting from both sides. Unfortunately, standard deletion only removes it from your inbox. You'll need to check if TikTok has the unsend feature available in your region, which allows the other person's copy to be deleted too. Step 5. If the unsend feature is available, the message will disappear from both conversations automatically. If it's not available in your area yet, you may want to consider re-uploading content or asking the other person to manually delete it. Always verify your app is updated to the latest version for access to all features.